Trying to find a better gallery design for your WordPress image blog? The wait is over. Pixel Gallery add-on is the new era of gallery design platforms that takes away your worries by providing fine-tuned gallery layouts and designs with unique tastes. A few steps backward. Users were happy using Elementor's vast widget library to fulfill their needs for a complete web design. But then, image blogging sites were looking for some more options for our advanced image gallery widget, which could bloat the code if added. So, the BdThemes code team decided to make an exceptional Elementor plugin that will focus on boosting your WordPress gallery making experience. The final output allowed us to bring Pixel Gallery out of the box just for you. It's different than average custom gallery add-ons. Pixel Gallery comes with 36 unique custom gallery layouts that you can customize yourself to make anything you want. The large number of widgets here provides more design inspiration and ways to unique layout customizations. Pixel Gallery features lightweight plugin for Elementor, more than 35 features, fully customizable widgets, beginner-friendly UI, all device responsive, high-quality graphics. Check out the widgets: Accent, Craze, Doodle, Epoch, Fabric, Fever, Fluid, Coral, Litical, Mastery, Mystic, and more amazing widgets to rock your socks off. And this plugin gets you 36 cool gallery widgets for free lifetime. And more coming soon. Not only do these widgets look cool in the front end, but also they are very easy to customize from the back end. Pixel Gallery needs the Elementor website builder in order to work on WordPress. Just get into the page opened in Elementor editor and then find the whopping 36 gallery widgets from the menu. Just drag and drop them inside the page and navigate the detailed customization controls on your left side. Choose custom gallery inputs or go with dynamic queries that no other gallery makers provide except the Pixel Gallery. Enjoy simplified controls to make diverse changes to the grid layout for unique designs. Also, select posts or pages from the dynamic query to make things even easier. Dive into the organized customizing options for style changes. Change colors, backgrounds, borders, paddings, margins, typography, and many more design options. There is no limit to customizations, and nothing can beat how easy it is to use these widgets. Do you want a gallery plugin that's free, unique, fast, and improves your site performance? Get Pixel Gallery add-on right now.